Using the software is very easy. The first thing we need to do is log in. We log in by entering our username and password that we selected when we installed. Once we've entered them, we simply click the login button. As you can see, this then takes us to the main dashboard. This software works in two modes, simple mode and advanced mode. If we click the simple button, a lot of the fields disappear. However, for the purposes of this demonstration, I'll stay in advanced mode, simply because all of the simple mode fields are also in advanced mode. We're going to start by creating a link, of course, a cloaked redirect link, and we'll go through each field one by one. You'll also notice blue help bubbles all throughout the system. If you hover your mouse over one, you'll see a tooltip appear that tells you what that part of the system does or what you should enter at that stage. The first field we need to fill in is the link name. You can't have spaces or special characters in this field, only letters, numbers and dashes. I'm going to enter a link name as Demo Link 1. Obviously you should use something more descriptive. The next field is the affiliate link. You can put any affiliate link in here or any web page. For simplicity, I'll link to Reddit. The next field is the page title. This is what will appear in the title bar of the browser and is only applicable to cloaked links. So I'll put Demo Page Title 1. The next field is the hot page text. I haven't explained hot pages yet, I'll come to that later, so for now we'll just put my first hot page link for Reddit. You can also put an image in there by putting an image URL in and clicking the image button. The next field is for category. When the system is first installed, there are no categories in this section. However, I went in and created a few with the category manager on this button here. I'll run through the category manager with you shortly. For now, I'll select a category of Deals of the Week. The next field is the link type, cloaked or uncloaked. Please be aware that not all sites will allow cloaked links, so please check the terms of service of the site or affiliate link that you're using. If they don't accept cloaked links, then simply select an uncloaked link. So for now we'll create a cloaked link. We simply then hit the Create Link button. And that's it. The yellow message bar says Cloaked Link created successfully. If we then scroll down the page, this table has started to populate. And as you can see, there are 5 columns. The first column, LT, is the link type, and a C means a cloaked link. The next is the link name, and we created Demo Link 1. The next is the actual affiliate link or web page, and as you can see, that's reddit.com. The next column shows the number of hits, at the moment 0, and the next column has a series of buttons that can perform various actions on the link. The link name column is where you will grab your link from. If you right click it, and then select in Firefox, copy link location or the equivalent, whichever browser you're using, that will copy the link into your clipboard for you. You can also click this to get a preview of the link. If I click this, a new tab opens, and as you can see, I'm on the Reddit homepage. However, if you look at my URL bar, you'll see it's not Reddit's URL in the URL bar, and the page title isn't Reddit's either. It says Demo Page Title 1, which is the title we entered. That's the beauty of a cloaked link. You can completely hide the true URL and the page title. If I now refresh this page, you'll see that the hits counter has gone up to 1. That's because we've just visited the page. There are a series of buttons here. This little blue help bubble tells you what they do in case you forget. The X button allows you to delete a link. The R button allows you to reset the hit counter. Let me give you an example. I'll click it and say, yes, I'm sure I want to reset the hit counter. The hit counter goes to 0. You can see the message window here has said hit counter reset for link Demo Link 1. The E button allows you to edit a link, and the S1 and S2 buttons allow you to share the link on social networks. S1 allows you to share your cloaked link, S2 shares the raw affiliate link. The E button allows you to edit all different parts of that link. You can edit the link name, the URL, the page title, the hot page text, and the category. And then you can save the changes. I'll cancel because, of course, I haven't saved any. The next thing we're going to do is create an uncloaked link. But just before we do that, we'll have a quick look at the Category Manager. To access the Category Manager, we simply select the Category Manager button. And the Category Manager will appear along with the categories I created earlier. Please note, this list will be empty when you first install the software. You can use these links here to delete any of the categories you've already created, and you can add new categories. I'll add a category here called my special car. We've got that one, my demo category. And I click the Add Category button. And that adds it to the list. When I've finished, I can add more here if I wanted. When I've finished, I just click Done. Now, to create an uncloaked link, let's call this one Demo Link 2. And the affiliate link is going to be clickbank.com. We'll use clickbank.com as a good example because ClickBank's terms of service say that they do not accept cloaked links. The procedure is very similar to creating a cloaked link. We can enter a page title, but this won't be used on an uncloaked link. We then enter some hot page text. My demo hot page link ClickBank. We can then select a category. As you can see, the My Demo category we've just added has appeared in this list now. But like the last link, I'll select the Deals of the Week category that I created earlier. The only difference now is I'm going to select Uncloaked. You'll notice the page title goes red. That's just to let you know that the page title won't be used on an uncloaked link. And I again click the Create Link button. There we go, your link, Demo Link 2, has been created successfully. If I scroll down, you'll see in this table, Demo Link 2 has appeared there. And you can see that it says U in the LT link type column to tell me it's an uncloaked link. Incidentally, you can click on any of these column headings to sort the column by that heading. And when you have lots of links, you can change the number of links that are displayed per page with these links here, and use these previous next buttons, and buttons corresponding to the number of pages available will appear here. Obviously it says 1 at the moment because we've only got 1 page. The buttons next to the links work exactly the same with an uncloaked link or a cloaked link. The only button we didn't cover before was the S1 button or the S2 button. If we click that, just to show you, S1 just brings up a selection of services that we can share with Google+, LinkedIn, StumbleUpon, Twitter and Facebook. If we click this uncloaked link, a new window will open, and as you can see, the page title is ClickBank's own, the address in the URL bar is ClickBank's own. That's because we've created an uncloaked link. However, the beauty of an uncloaked link is the link that you give to people is still your redirected link. So let's copy this link location and paste it in there. You'll see it's MediaCettle.com links demo link 2. And if you go to that link, it will take you to ClickBank.